How to use Auto-Tune like a pro with Antares Auto-Tune EFX Plus. I'm going to teach you step by step right after the intro. The name is Gossa once again, and still the solution cover, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in FS Studio and I'm going to show you how to use Auto-Tune like a pro step by step with Antares Auto-Tune EFX Plus. Alright, so for you to use Auto-Tune perfectly, you have to know your vocals. I mean the key. You have to know the key of your instrument or the key of that vocals. Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to detect the right key for the vocals or instrument. Alright, what you need to do is to install Virtual DJ Home. Alright, install this Virtual DJ Home 7. This is completely free, and all you need to do is to drag that particular instrument. For this video, the beat is this one, so you're gonna drag it here and Virtual DJ, and as you can see, Virtual DJ will tell you the key, which is D sharp minor, and also let me drag the vocals to that. Sometimes it's better to use the vocals. Alright, in my opinion, if you have both the vocals and instrument, use the vocals. So I'm gonna drag the vocals too, and you can see the vocals is A sharp minor, so you're gonna try the D sharp minor and the A sharp minor, the D sharp minor for the instrument, and the vocals, which is what, A sharp minor. So now that you know the key, let's go to FS Studio. Right, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Now I've routed these vocals to mixer track 1, and I've done a little bit EQ here. Right, I've done a little bit EQ here, cut off most of the low ends, and I boosted just a little bit of the high ends. Alright, this is super simple. This is not a full mix. Alright, so first thing first, let me introduce the Auto-Tune EFX Plus, and we're gonna detach it by clicking, let's detach this one. Alright, and now we can actually move it freely here. So for the instrument, it was D sharp minor. Before you use any Auto-Tune, set your scale and your key. Alright, so the instrument was D sharp. I'm gonna check that if it is correct. Alright, so we're gonna put the routine speed all the way up, and this will tell you whether the key is correct or not. So let's listen to that on our vocals.
Baby girl, come on that, show me that this. I want that, so no long thing, girl.
This is not bad. This is not bad at all. So now let's try the A sharp minor 2.
Baby girl, come on that, show me that this. I want that, so no long thing, girl.
Alright, so you can actually tell that both the keys are great. Alright, so I'm going to use the D sharp minor for now.
Baby girl, come on that, show me that this. I want that, so no long thing, girl.
Alright, so now anytime you are using Auto-Tune, you have to know the default knobs. I mean the commonest knob that you can always find on any Auto-Tune. So let me explain things to you. The routine speed is how much you wanna pitch your vocals. I mean how much you wanna feel that T-pain effect. Alright, so the more you crank the routine speed all the way up, the more you're gonna auto-tune your vocals. I mean the more you're gonna feel that T-pain effect. Alright, so if you bring it all the way back like this, meaning you are getting less auto-tune. Alright, then the next knob that you have to pay attention on any Auto-Tune is the humanize knob. Alright, if you are able to control these two knobs, I mean the routine speed knob and the humanize knob, then you can actually use every Auto-Tune. So Auto-Tune EFX Plus comes with these two knobs. Alright, I mean the key knobs here are 2. Alright, so the humanize knob is a knob that we use to bring that realism in our vocals. When we put the routine speed all the way up, we mostly sound like robots. I mean, we are sounding more auto-tune, but we want to sound like human beings, not robots, alright? So we push the routine speed a little bit up to bring that realism into our vocals, and this is super simple, alright? So first thing is to control the routine speed and the humanize knob after setting your keys and your skill. Next is the input type, alright? And with this Antares Auto-Tune EFX Plus, if you don't know what to choose, all you need to do is to click on this learn, and it's gonna wait for you to play the vocals or the instrument, and it's gonna pick one of these for you, alright? So you're gonna exaggerate things. Now that you know this, alright, how can you set up your auto-tune perfectly? Watch the video to the very end, because I'm gonna show you the preset that they are using. I'm going to show you the preset for the legendaries. I mean, those top artists, the preset that the top producers are using for them. If somebody is good in singing, how can you set your auto-tune to get that natural voice? Alright, so watch the video to the very end. Now, with Antares Auto-Tune EFX, with Antares Auto-Tune EFX Plus, you can add a little bit pitch and throat here. If you don't like it, all you need to do is to toggle it off, right? Alright, you can add reverb, vocado, chorus, EQ, the vocals, compress the vocals right on this auto-tune. Alright, so first thing first, let's listen to these settings, and we're gonna exaggerate things.
Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh no long thing, yeah. Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh no long thing, yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna turn this one on and listen.
Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh no long thing, yeah.
This is not bad, alright? Now guys, after setting your routine speed and the humanize knob, you can add reverb directly from Antares Auto-Tune EFX Plus. All you need to do is to control the mix here. Listen.
Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh no long thing, yeah. Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh no long thing, yeah. Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh.
I'm gonna mute the beat so that you can listen to the vocals with only this.
Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh no long thing, girl. Baby girl, come want.
Now you hear the difference, alright? Then you can add chorus to your mix.
Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh no long thing, girl. Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh no long thing, girl. Baby girl.
I want you to put in your mind in mixing less is the best, alright? I'm not gonna add anything again. Guys, listen.
Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh no long thing, girl.
We're gonna bypass Auto-Tune EFX Plus, and I'm gonna introduce it back. Listen to the difference without the Auto-Tune EFX Plus.
Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh no long thing, girl. Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh no long thing, girl.
And with the Auto-Tune EFX Plus,
baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh no long thing, girl. Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this.
so as I said, you can actually click on this lane, and you're gonna wait for you to play the vocals, and it will tell you which input type to take. Alright, so listen.
Baby girl, come
watch here. You can now see predicting.
Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh no long thing, girl. Baby girl, come want that this, show me that this. I want that this, oh no.
And boom, you can actually see low mill. It has paid low mill for us. Alright, so if you don't know what to choose, all you need to do is to click on the learn, and this gonna change, and this gonna predict for you based on the vocals or instrument that you are playing. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like. Let me know your opinion on Auto-Tune EFX Plus. Alright, and guys, there's a lot of things that you can actually do with Auto-Tune EFX Plus. All you need to do, if you want to create special vocals, make your vocals more interesting, just click this here, and these are all presets from top legendaries: Antares, Aaron Desna, alright, Jeff Rona, Jess Jackson, a lot of Richard Davian. Alright, so these are all presets that you can actually play around from these top producers if you want to make your vocals interesting. And guys, you can always toggle this. Alright, if you like this, just toggle, click on this, and this will be added to your favorite. Alright, as you can see, you toggle and it will be added to your favorite. Super simple like that. Now you can actually click on this, load a random preset, and it will always load a random preset. So let's play around them. I'm gonna play the vocals and I'm gonna click on this.
Baby girl, come one that day, show me the long thing, girl. Baby girl, come one that day, show me that tactics. I want that day, so one that day, show me that tactics. Baby girl, come one that day, show me that tactics. I want that day, so no long thing, girl. Baby girl, come one that day, show me that tactics. I want that day, so no long thing, girl. Baby girl, come one that day.
Now you heard the difference. This is crazy. This is crazy. And right from there, you can play with these knobs, change it to suit whatever that you like, guys. So now I'm gonna add a beat. Now if you have watched this video to the very end, I told you I'm gonna show you how to get that natural vocals, the presets used by the legendaries. All you need to do is to push your routine speed to 20%. all right, 20%. all right, then also push your humanize knob to 20%. And guys, you're gonna get that natural vocals, and this is the secret preset used by the legendaries. If you want to sound like Justin Bieber, Drake, those people, guys, Rihanna, they are good in singing, so they don't need much auto-tune. So if you want to get that natural vocals, then you can go for this. Let me mute the beat and now listen to this 20% with only this preset.
Baby girl, come one that day, show me that tactics. I want that day, so no long thing, girl. Baby girl, come one that day, show me that tactics. I want that day, so no long thing, girl.
Or you can push it to 30% if the artist is not good. Alright, or you can push it to 30% routine speed and 30% humanized knob. This is super crazy, and you're gonna get that natural vocals.
Baby girl, come one that day, show me that tactics. I want that day, so no long thing, girl. Baby girl, come one that.
I'm gonna add the beat.
Baby girl, come one that day, show me that tactics. I want that day, so no long thing, girl. Baby girl, come one that day, show me that tactics. I want that day, so no long thing.
Alright guys, so this is how to use auto-tune like a pro with Antares EFX Plus. This is super crazy. This is super crazy. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let me know where you are watching me from. Help me get 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month. Alright, without wasting much of your time, if you are looking for best free reverb plugins, then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen, and you can actually get free reverb plugins and take your music production to the next level. Until then, the name is Gosai. Do more music, come back for more. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.